HysonTech is an expert in AI Image-processing and AIoT solutions. We support our customers to introduce new technological elements into their business and be their growing partner. Our knowledgeable R&D team comes from various fields, such as artificial intelligence designers, competition winners, hackathon champions, and international business marketing. We have successfully landed AI and IoT solutions in many industries, including fishery, aquaculture, biotech, medical, manufacturing, and surveillance. HysonTech is an award-winning team, including the championship of MediaTech Innovation Competition, the most investable startup from EE Time Asia, and 2 Apita Merit Awards, both in AI technology and industrial general. We have built FarmABetterFish system to automate fishermen's daily work and to make aquaculture visible, measurable, and controllable. At fish farms, we use this underwater camera along with the IoT panel to collect underwater images and transfer the image to cloud for AI analysis, including the fish biological information, harvest prediction, and etc. Therefore, the fishermen can check their fish status with their mobiles anytime, anywhere. Our total solution can monitor fish in-pond water quality and near-pond environment, and can support to integrate third-party water quality detector, sensor, auto feeder for precise feeding. Besides, we have been developing exclusive and leading AI technologies. For example, AI to defog underwater images and to restore fish colors, so both AI and human can see much clearer and more fish details. That's why we can achieve high precision in monitoring, measurement, and control. The FarmABetterFish system can fit in APAC farming areas with various weather conditions and can support both eating fish and aquarium fish. The unique portable and modular system design can adapt to a variety of common fishing farms, including indoor fish farms, circulating aquaculture farms, offshore box net farms, and sea cage farms. This product could affect 70% of APAC aquaculture production. We HysonTech welcome cooperation in promoting FarmABetterFish system and in applying AI tech in your specific fields. For you as the local system integrator, and for you looking for AI solutions, please contact us at hysontech.tw.